Okay, okay, guys. So Friday analysis. Let's take a look at what we've got news-wise. So news-wise, we have core PCE at 13:30. Nothing really after that. We have Fed Bostic speech at 23:15. Not really going to affect the market. So the main news is at 13:30. So we will see volume an hour before the US Open. If we do, at the moment, we are at the high. So just take a look. The previous all-time high, which we did touch on the 17th of May. Now seeing buyers come in at this level. If we do break the daily open, we can definitely catch a long here. Probably all the way to the daily close. Maybe even get like a 2-to-1, maybe even a 1.5-to-1, something like that. But what I'm looking for here is buyers to come in at this key level, at this high, at 1 p.m. Well, 1:30. So 2 p.m., the 1 hour close, we can definitely look for longs here to the upside. So that's US 100, US 30. In fact, I'll just go over this. Yesterday, did get a sell. I actually exited here. Usually the 1800 is the big move, but the big move was at 20.00. So that's a shame, but it is what it is. So yeah, I would have liked the 1800 to have moved down, but it was the 20.00 for some reason. So it's just one of those things. So let's take a look at US 30. US 30 literally yesterday consolidated. This hasn't got to a key level. Didn't really do anything yesterday. Still looks bearish. I do think that this is going to touch this key level here of 37,800 before moving to the upside. So moves to the downside now today to 37,800. Until we touch that level, I'm not really going to look for longs here. We take a look at gold. What's gold doing? This week on gold hasn't really done much. So we just take a look at the weekly here on gold. Said that more than likely going to see a pin bar, touch this level we have, and then move to the downside. For something kind of like this here, kind of like what we got on the week starting on the 29th of April. Haven't really had that. We have seen the move, but the continued downward momentum hasn't happened. So again, it does look as though we've got a little bit of consolidation here. Fundamentals are to the downside, technicals are to the downside. So we could see a big move today. I mean, I don't expect it to do all of this. That's just absurd. Probably just breaking this low, maybe to a little key level, maybe something like this. To this key level here. That would be like the absolute limit of today. I don't expect, it to move all the way down to 2280. That would just be, crazy. Let's just take a little tiny look at FX Blue. So gold minus 1.7 USD, minus 0.6 medium term. Short term, gold is very much to the downside, USD positive 0.7. Okay, fair enough. I'm waiting for this. Yeah, looks good, bro. Looks really good. Looks real good. Just take a look at Bitcoin. Take a look at this here. Weekly looks as though it's bouncing off that level. Daily, Seeing buy pressure there at the 67,000 level. So what is this? Higher highs and higher lows. Finding buy pressure looked good. If Bitcoin found buy pressure, then ETH probably finding buy pressure as well. Again, we have a high here. We haven't broke this key level. We haven't got enough buy pressure for that. But we are bouncing here. Should broke the high. Retesting, potential move to the upside. Basically all doing the same. Doge broke to the upside. Exhaustion, double bottom potentially. Continued move to the upside. So that is it. US 100 longs, because we're at the all-time high. Already looks like it's going bullish. Now, if we look at the daily, key level here. Once we break, we always retest. Potential move to the upside. Could do nothing. I don't expect, to be honest, I don't really expect this to close super bullish above this daily high. More than likely is going to close as a pin bar or a indecision candle. But you can still look for a long to the upside nonetheless. So that's it, guys. That's your Friday analysis. Thank you for watching. Hope you learned something. And I shall see you later on at 2:30. No, sorry, I can't do 2:30 today. So signals as normal. Live sessions will continue on Tuesday. Thank you. Bye bye.